Hello grade 8, today let's study together lesson 1 in unit 3. All the unit 3 in the second term in grade 8, we have here the probability statistics. What is the meaning of probability? Here we know must that before what is the meaning of sample. Sample is a small part for a large society. Society to looking for the sample in the social. Okay. Here we have in statistics in France. We have in statistics we studied before about the arithmetic mean, median, mode. All of them are statistics. But here the probability we have a random experiment or events. What is the difference between all them? Here we have an example. A people carried out of survey on a sample pupils in his school to know how much they liked mathematics. Sample contains 30 pupils. We have a total samples 30 pupils. Here the following table shows the result of survey. Here the number of pupils is make the highest degree 15 pupils and the middle degree 10 pupils and the weak degree 5 pupils. We can make the total of them to be 30. So we have here what is the probability that the pupil mass with the highest degree. The highest degree how many? 15. Okay, over the total 15 over 30 that will be half. So you must to make for the important note the probability of any number, the probability of any number considered between two numbers for greater than 0 and smaller than 1. Greater than 0 and smaller than 1. But the probability of impossible event, it will be 0. Probability of certain event or sure event, it will be 1. Okay? Now, here the probability that pupil mass with the middle degree 10 over 30 will be 1 over 3. 5 over 30 the weak degree 5 over 30 1 over 6. That's called probability here. Okay, as in the simplest form. The expected number of people who liked math in the school with the highest degree. Here if we have the number 1200, so I can make the product between the probability of the highest degree of the people times the total students 1200. Half times 1200, it will be 600 pupils make the highest degree. Okay. Here we studied before about experimental probability and the theoretical probability. Here we know that the experimental probability, the probability of occurrence a certain event, the number of times of the repeated of this outcomes over the number of all possible outcomes. Okay? Yes. Here the expected number, you can make the number of its occurrence times the total number of given individuals. Here that's called experimental probability. But we have here theoretical probability dependence on equivalent chance. All individuals have the same chance to occur. For example, here when we toss a fair coin, we have a coin to make a toss here. Observe apartment face and head or tail, either head or tail. Okay, so it's called theoretical probability. The random experiment. The random experiment is an experiment when all possible outcomes are known before doing it, but we can't determine the actual outcomes. The sample space. What is the meaning of the sample space? The sample space is a set of all possible outcomes of the random experiment of X, denoted by S. I can write the sample space by S. Here, the sample space. What is the about for the sample space for tossing? Head or tail, you can write head or tail as a solution in sample space equals head or tail. And here, what is the sample space for the third die? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Yes. Event is a subset of the sample space. Event is a subset of the sample space. Here we have A is a set of appearance of odd numbers when through fair die once and observe a parent number of upper face. If we roll a dice, here we have the sample space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What are the numbers of odd, appearance of odd numbers? We have 1, 3, 5. So I can write that A is a subset of S. But what is the probability of A? Probability of A, here we have 3 elements over the sample space, the number total of elements 6, 3 over 6, it will be half. Okay, so you can write the probability of A, the number of elements A over the number of elements in a sample space. Okay, and another example you can make to find the probability of here appearance a number greater than 4, 5 and 6, 2 over 6, 1 over 3, and probability of appearance even number 2 over 6, 3 over 6, it will be half. The appearance of the number 7, number 7, it's impossible for the sample space of the fairing die. We have the die from 1 to 6. It doesn't appearance to the number 7, so the probability of them, it will be 0. Probability is 0. Okay, but D, I can write D equal 5 because it's a set. But the probability of P, it will be 0. Okay, don't forget to this important note. That's our lesson today. Here, probability, unit 3 in the second term, grade 8. Thank you, grade 8. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for the channel of MBS.